We are visiting the incredible Rock Island State Park in Tennessee, where we'll kayak down a river lined with towering rock walls and waterfalls. We'll also get close up to the main falls here in the park. First stop on the way is McD's for a quick coffee. Wow, that's very sweet. I need you to see what that tastes like.
Oh, yeah.
It's very
Ew.
sweet.
I thought you have diabetes.
We've arrived in Rock Island, Tennessee. Rock Island is about an hour and 40 minutes away from Nashville and an hour and 20 minutes from Chattanooga, making it a great trip from either of those cities. As we come into the park, we'll make a stop at an overlook to take in the view. I believe this is also a trailhead, but we won't really be doing much hiking today.
That way before. Oh, there's a TV.
We encourage children ages 5 and under.
So, I guess it's dry. I feel like there's usually water over there, but yeah. There's the main falls.
Now let's stop in at the visitor center real quick for a map.
You want to go in the visitors? Let's go.
You can enjoy your waterfall inside the visitor center and purchase snacks for the day. The center of the pyramids is one.
That's the campground over there. Check out my other video because I've camped here before. Yeah.
Sunday.
You have to stay 2 nights.
Oh,
These are very fancy, right?
yeah, that's nice. The houses.
Yeah.
Speak of someone else.
Like they're actually so fancy. Like
Like a neighborhood of
yeah.
Alright, now let's head over to the park's beach where we'll launch our kayak. Once we got in the water, we started kayaking upstream. As you can see, there are just waterfalls spilling out from everywhere along the sides of these rocky cliffs. I'm gonna go through just one for fun now.
I just went under the waterfall there. Took a little shower.
It's really a fun place to kayak. There's something different to see the entire way up.
parked our kayaks, and there's Twin Falls.
And this is about as far as we can go upstream because it gets a little rocky and forceful as we get closer to the main falls. So now, let's head back.
Vultures. And now we're going over to get a good view of the falls from the other side. It's really nice, it's really easy to get to, and I've walked up right next to the falls before, so that's what we're gonna go do right now. So we're turning left out of the main entrance, and we're gonna go back and across the river so that we can see the Twin Falls from the other side.
It's a little bit of a drive to get to the other side. Parts of the road can get really narrow here. So we simply parked and started walking down. There aren't really that many signs that point you to where you are here. You basically just find the clearest part of the riverside if you want to get up close to the falls. And here we are. It is a magnificent view.
Yeah, we kayaked right there to that little waterfall.
Now we make our way back out. And then here's a viewpoint if you don't want to go too far down that trail.
Oh, I guess you can walk that way too. But here's the view from here. If you wanted to walk down the stairs and get a different view, or you didn't feel like doing the little trail thing.
And now we're on our way out of the park. And if you know Kevin, you know that he must stop to get some ice cream anywhere they offer it. This is a cute little train caboose that was right at the edge of the park.
Ice cream therapy. Ice cream therapy. All right,
I think yours is the first one.
you go.
Good.
Good.
And that wraps up our nice little day trip to Rock Island State Park.